Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made these cool looking camera display stands out of some scrap parts from some old tripods and some scrap wood. So I had these spare parts which I removed from broken old tripods, and I was thinking, what can I do with these? I don't really want to throw them away. They still have a function, and I was thinking maybe I could use them as camera sort of display stands. So as with this one here, I've already made this one. This is one I made earlier, and it's the top of a tripod, and what I've done is I've added it to a block, a piece of 2x6. So I've routed the edge, I've given it some linseed oil, and I've attached it with a bolt through the bottom. So this is now fixed and solid, and you still have the function to attach the camera to it and swivel the top of this, so this still swivels around and can be locked into place. So it's still functional as a kind of mini tripod, but also I think it looks kind of cool as a display piece too, with a nice old camera on here. So for this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one that I have, this part, top of an old tripod. You can see it still has the movement to it, and you can attach a camera on here, and we've got this bar here, so I'm going to sink this bar into a piece of wood. So for that I've got another leftover piece of 2x6 here, and I'm going to cut a block out of this and mount this onto it. So I started off by taking a combination square and drawing up some lines to mark out the area that I was going to cut from this scrap piece of wood, and then on the miter saw I cut out this section. So then I took a router and I used a round over bit to go round all the edges and round them over. So then I finished it off with a hand sanding. Now I needed to find a centre point, so just taking a ruler, I marked up a centre point. Then I used a Forstner bit, the same diameter as the pole, and marked up on the Forstner bit the depth that I wanted to drill, so that I didn't drill through the bottom of the wood. Then just using a drill press, I drilled out the hole. And then I decided to cut the bar down because it was quite long. So I just used a hacksaw here. To connect the bar into the hole, I used some contact adhesive, and I made sure there was plenty in and around the hole and plenty on the bar, and then pushed it into place. I removed the excess, and then with a damp cloth just got the last bits off, and then I finished off the wooden block with some boiled linseed oil. And that was the two stands complete. So that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.